Discover beach inventions that transform your seaside getaway from innovative gadget to fun accessories. These game-changing tools ensure you will stay entertained and make the most of your vacation. Bionic Abs Fin System. The Bionic Abs Fin System is a game-changing set of fins designed to make swimming easier and more enjoyable. These lightweight fins swimming about 1.5 kg and made from strong flexible material that last a long time. The fins also have ergonomic foot pockets that are super comfortable and help prevent blister even during a long use. Whether you are a beginner or a pro, the Equibonic and fin system is a versatile and effective choice for improving your performance in water. Boti Hangout Water Hammock. The Boti Hangout Water Hammock is a floating hammock designed for relaxing on the water. It's inflatable, lightweight, and measure about 6 feet by 3 feet, giving plenty of space for one person to lie you comfortably. Weighing just around 2 kg, it's easy to carry and perfect for the beach, pool, or a lake. When you are done, it's easy to deflate and store. Whether you are floating in the ocean, a lake, or a pool, the Bloaty Hangout Water Hammock is a fun and relaxing way to enjoy the water and sunshine. Beboat Beach Culinary Boat. Meet the Beboat Beach Culinary Boat is a smart, eco-friendly machine designed to keep our beaches clean. It is a compact report weighing about 60 kg that remove trash like plastic, glass, and other waste from the sand. This quiet report clean up to 3000 square meter of a beach every hour without disturbing beaches, offering a fast and effective solution for keeping our beaches beautiful. While it may cost more upfront, the beach boat long-term benefit for the environment and coastal communities make it great investment. Raptor Shark Deterrent. The Raptor Shark Deterrent is a small device that helps protect swimmer from a shark. It works by creating an electromagnetic field that confuses shark senses, keep them away. The lightweight device weighing less than 1 kg and can be easily attacked surfboards or even worn by swimmer. The device is easy to use when mammal setup require. While it's not a guarantee of total protection, the Raptor Shark Deterrent adds a space of mind and is a great safety tool for anyone venture into open water. Dearbird Sea Air. The Dearbird Sea Air is a small wireless device that helps dry your air after swimming. It's perfect for preventing ear infection and discomfort caused by moisture. Weighing less than 100 grams, it's lightweight and fits comfortably in your ear. The Dearbird C is used to with low heat level that will not harm your ear. It must have for swimming and bachelors who will not protect their ear health and safety comfortable. Woowind NW10 pump. The Woowind NW pump is a small but powerful electronic air pump perfecting for quickly inflating and deflating beach gear like raft, mattress, and pool float. Weighing about 1 kg, it's lightweight and easy to carry in your beach bag and peak pocket. The Woodwind NW10 is compact, portable, and inflates large items in just a few minutes, saving your time and energy. Its durable design ensures it lasts for many beach trips, making it must-have for anyone who loves outdoor fun. Spoma Surfboard Rental. The Spoma Surfboard Rental services make it easy to enjoy surfing without owning a board. Through a simple app, you can rent high-quality surfboards that make your skill level the wave condition. These boards are lightweight, durable, and perfect for a great surfing experience. Whether you are new to suffering of an experienced pro, Sapoma surfboard rental is a hassle-free and convenient way to enjoy the waves without the commitment of owning a board. Portable face shade. The portable face shade is a compact and foldable accessory that protect your face from harmful UV rays while you relax at the beach. It weighs less than 1 kilogram and can easily fold into small size, making it super convenient to carry in your beach bag. Setting up to portable face shade is easy and you can see it with or without beach chairs, making it very versatile. It not only protects your from the sun but also allow airflow, ensuring you stay comfortable even for a long period if you are able to your skin health and comfort. This face shade is a must have for your beach trip. Beach Soul Mini Shower. The Beach Soul Mini Shower is a handy portable shower that helps you rise off sand and salt water after a day at the beach. This compact device weighs about 1.5 kilogram and can hold up the 3 liters of water, making it easy to carry. The Beach Soul Mini Shower is also great for rising off your gear, wetting pet, or cooling down on day. It portably and convenient make it must have for a spinning comfortable and clean at the beach. The Alpha Electronic Sunbox Safe. The Alpha Electronic Sunbox Safe is a portable, high security safe that keep your valuables safe at the beach and poolside. Weighing around 2 kg, it made from strong water resistant material, making it durable for outdoor use. It also comes with a tethering cable, allowing you to secure it fixed object to prevent theft. This portable safe is easy to use and transport, making it great choice for bachelors who want to protect their belongings while enjoying their time by the water. Beach Vault. The Beach Vault is a clever and portable storage solution that keep your valuables safe while you easy your time at the beach. This unique product is a cylindrical, screw-like container that you can easily bury in the sand, making it hard for others to see. This smart storage solution is a must-have for bachelors who want to peace of mind while enjoying the sun and surf.